Hey, this is Xbox 360 Lover here, and I won't be making any more videos about my Xbox 360 because it got the red rings of death, and it's on its way to Texas right now. So, that's besides the point of this video. Today, I just got my new MP5 Airsoft gun, and I want to be unboxing it for you guys. So, let's get this thing open. First thing you see on the top is the gun manual, how to use it, blah blah blah, standard crap. This is the 2-in-1. It's a MP5 A4 and an MP5 A5. The A5 is the MP5 when it has the collapsible stock, and it's the A4 when it has the full stock. Let's get to the mags. Magazine number 1, high cap, 150 rounds, wind up right here on the bottom. 500 round, wind up also on the bottom. Dual rail mount strap for airsoft battle. Cleaning rod, extra screw, unscrewing tool, another strap thing or whatever, and that's been the UTG Spring MP5. I'll be doing some firing tests later. Peace.